we have decided to inflict her with only one sentence, that is sentence of death.
হেলিকপ্টার দিয়ে সোজা বম্বিং করা হবে, র্যাবের হেলিকপ্টার দিয়ে উপর দিয়ে মার।
Count number 1, incitement. Count number 2, order to kill. Count number 3, inaction to prevent the atrocities and failing to take punitive actions against the perpetrators.
We know what to do, how to save our people, save our lives.
As well. So aren't you getting frustrated sometimes?
অন্যায়